Hi, I'm Dr. Jim, and I'll be talking about honey. Honey is produced by bees and other insects and is used as an energy source. It is produced from the nectar of flowers. The nectar is digested by salivary enzymes, regurgitated, further enzymatically altered, and then stored in honeycomb to become honey. The physical properties of honey depend on water content, the type of plants used to produce it, the temperature, and the proportion of the specific sugars it contains. Honey is said to be a supersaturated liquid from which sugar can crystallize. Honey may ferment, and usually this happens after crystallization. When this occurs, the yeast have enough of an increase in water for fermentation to occur. Honey contains a mixture of sugars, mostly fructose and glucose. Other sugars include sucrose, maltose, complex carbohydrates. Compared to a glycemic index of 100 for pure glucose, honey has a glycemic index of 31 to 78. Honey has a low content of protein, vitamins, minerals, and polyphenols. Use of honey is thought to provide a variety of health benefits. Medical grade honey has been approved by the FDA for treating minor wounds and burns. Honey has antibacterial properties in part because it contains hydrogen peroxide, rhoyolysine, and especially in Manuka honey from New Zealand and Australia, methylglyoxal. Methylglyoxal has antibacterial properties. However, some researchers indicate that methylglyoxal may actually delay wound healing. Bees make Manuka honey from the Manuka flower. As mentioned earlier, polyphenols are present in honey. They are also found in fruits and vegetables. Polyphenols are relatively large molecules which are composed of multiple benzene rings with attached OH groups. Some authors suggest that these polyphenol molecules in honey have a useful antioxidant effect. Others suggest that the fate of polyphenols after digestion is not known, so that it is not known whether polyphenols in honey have a beneficial health effect. Honey also has a variety of other antioxidants, including vitamin C, catalase enzymes, peroxidase, and glucose oxidase. It has been reported that antioxidant properties of honey act as an antidepressant during stressful periods. There is some evidence to suggest that honey, especially in children, aids in relieving cough. However, honey should not be given to babies because of the possibility of infant botulism. Honey may also be useful in relieving sore throats. Taking large amounts of honey can induce anxiety, insomnia, and hyperactivity. Honey may exacerbate diabetes, but as indicated above, it does have a lower glycemic index than glucose. Honey may interact adversely with anticoagulants. Honey may induce allergic reactions in susceptible people. Symptoms are reported to range from coughing to anaphylaxis. It is thought that proteins responsible for allergic reactions are derived from plant pollens. Honey may be produced from plants which are toxic to humans and not to bees. Some of these plants include rhododendrons and azaleas. Toxic effects can include vomiting, convulsions, abnormal heart rhythm, and death.